In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create and add new users to your Trackem account. To get started, log in to your Trackem account on desktop and click the Settings icon in the sidebar menu. Next, click the Users tab. In the top right corner, click Create User. You can now begin filling out the new user's information. First, select the profile type. Limited access allows you to restrict the user's access to specific areas of your Trackem account. Unlimited access gives the user full access to all available information and features. In this example, we'll cover how to create a full access user. For a tutorial on setting up a limited access user, click the card in the video. Next, enter the user's email address and create a password. You also have the option to generate a random password, toggle password visibility on or off, require the user to create their own password when they first log in, and send the password to the user by email. Continue filling out the remaining information, including first name, last name, phone number, and preferred language. At the very bottom, there is also an option to link the user to an existing driver profile. Click Save and your unlimited access user is ready to go.